Son of Iloji! The king's mind is made up.
Wise one, if Nanya is my wife, I know. I don't think I can live without her. Yes. Yes, wise one, yes. Then go home. Go home. Wise one. The gentle strikes of a tiger is not a mark of cowardice. Now I'm gonna come why broken no money for game. You mean I should go home and allow the king give my wife to another?
Emenike, the rats cannot kill the cat. Neither will a goat devour a lion. And a rabbit cannot defeat an elephant in a wrestling contest. Emenike, go home and wait. For the decision is final. Go. Go, my son. Go.
Is Emenike in?
Emenike is around, yes.
Please call him for me.
I'll be back. Emenike! See him. Maybe he went to ease himself. Don't tell me I'm not.
Eh. Okay, I'll wait for him.
So what do you?
Can you call us really?
Emenike.
Ogene.
What is wrong with you?
Please, I need to be left alone. Please.
What is wrong with you?
I do not know. I will advise you go and come back later. Oh?
person who pay attention at all to our dreams is like someone who tries to chase a shadow or catch the wind. What you see in a dream is no more real than the reflection of your face in a mirror. You only see what you want to see.
Greetings, Your Majesty. Greetings, Your Majesty. Unless the gods sent you the dream. Your daughter's dream was sent by the gods. The regalia she was wearing and the golden sword in her hand is symbolic of our forefathers.
Chief priest, you and I know it is sacrilegious for a woman to adorn the regalia. How much more holding the golden sword, which is how much holding the sword which protects our kingdom.
Your Majesty, the ways of the gods are not the same with man. The gods sent me to tell you to revoke the marriage agreement between Ifunanya and the prince of Amago.
I will do no such until I see the sword with my eyes. For now, Chief Priest, leave my palace.
Igwe, you heard him. You may leave.
If not, I did. You may go to your chambers.
Chika Wanem, what do I do? I no longer sleep at night at all. All I do is to think about my Ifunanya.
Take it easy, my brother. I think you're being too hard on yourself. I'm not saying you should take Ifunanya out of your mind completely. But I still advise you remember what the chief priest told you. This battle is beyond us. You have to take it easy.
Gods of our forefathers, please make my father to change his decision. Gods of my forefathers, please listen to my cry. Wipe my tears.
man who wants to run away from his shadow, from his God. Oh, no, son, no, no, son. Oh, you take a jaga.
Spirit priest, possessed by the spirit of the ancestors. I should go back. Your marriage with the prince of Amago we hold. But whoever that will drink from the same cup with you on that day will be your husband.
I do not understand.
I just told you what the gods asked me to tell you. Go home. Let the gods be with you. Go. Go.
We've been searching for you everywhere.
I'm coming from the shrine.
I do not believe you. Where are you coming from?
Adeze, she's telling the truth.
Thank you, Chief Priest. Ifunanya, let us go home.
Ifna,
Father,
henceforth, you are forbidden from leaving this palace without my consent.
all right, Father.
I hope you did not go to Emenike's house.
No, Father, I didn't go to Emenike's house. I went to the shrine to ask the gods to give me peace of mind and also to make me love the president.
That's my daughter. I know you love me and you have the interest of this kingdom. Obinna.
Father.
Your brother will forever remain grateful to you when he grows up and becomes the king. You don't know what you have done for this kingdom. Whoever is advising you against this marriage is an enemy of our kingdom. It does not have our interest at heart. And that will not happen. Be sure with you, my daughter.
Yes, sir.
Food is ready.
Chika, again. I'm not hungry.
That was the same thing you said in the afternoon.
Chika need to be left alone. Pico Hameka. Pico.
Emenike, you're getting me angry. And had it been you're not my brother, I would have challenged you to a wrestling contest.
Mobo mother.
Yes.
You do what?
I have defeated all your mates. And even if I win you now, you attribute it to hunger.
Hey! You never cease to amaze me. You want to wrestle me?
Yes. Just the both of us here.
Meaning?
If I defeat you, you have nothing to lose.
Come on, fight me.
Cherugodu. That was the same excuse Okoye gave.
Wait. You defeated Okoye?
Yes.
Hey!
Chika, even on an empty stomach, I will squeeze you. I will rough handle you. Do not forget I am the one that taught you all you know. Do not forget. Hey, Omaka.
Nah, you must eat first. Eat! Bamba.
Okay, go and get my food. Chika, now that you finish eating, I want you to stand up and come and wrestle me. Let me squeeze you. Let me rough handle you and tell you that the master is always the master. you understand what I'm saying? Hi, Chika,
Far be it from me that I wrestle my own flesh and blood. I thank the gods that I succeeded in making you eat and taking your mind off from too much thinking.
Biba. Tell me that you don't fight again. Tell me that you never wrestle again.
I'll never wrestle again.
Chika, I'm going to go
Biko, everything.
Come here. I enjoy the food.
Thank you. I'm glad you're happy. Come here.
Adam, why?
Odogu, Ike, Odogu wake, Odogu wake, Ebu Odogu, Odogu.
Ichele. As if you know what I want to eat. Thank you for the yam. Ichele. You must wrestle with me now or accept defeat. Or hand over your yams to me as the tradition of your people demand.
Odumodu, you are not from this kingdom. Go back to your people and challenge them to wrestle with you.
Ichele, I can see you are ready to wrestle with the gods.
Odumodu, laziness has turned into a monster. You left your kingdom, you go about collecting people's items, all in the name of wrestling. And that ends today.
You can see.
And now.
I can see you're ready. You're ready to wrestle with the gods.
Challenge me.
I am Odumodu.
You! I will get you. I'm coming back.
No, poor Allah.
As you can see, there is no man in your kingdom.
Your Majesty.
I defeated Ichele a few days ago in a wrestling contest. He saw me on my way to Nkulu Kingdom and demanded that we wrestle again. I accepted the challenge, but I told him that the only place I will wrestle him is here.
Ichele, is it true?
Your Majesty, I beg you to grant me the request to shut Odumodu's mouth for saying that there is no man in this kingdom forever.
Permission granted.
Tired of living. Show you. Challenge me.
Down again, down.
Do not brag, because you've not defeated me in any wrestling contest before. I can see you're tired of living.
Your Majesty. Greetings. Your Majesty, please allow me
to defeat this young man.
Permission granted.
Leave this kingdom and never to come back again.
Yes. One.
It's because I've wrestled before. We will meet again. We will meet again. Let's go. Let's go. No.
Shall be well with you. Fight on, the gods are with you. Ike, son of Akum, you have proven your bravery in many ways. Today, the people of Ngere of the position of chief warrior of our land. It shall be well with you, my son.
Who's in this house? Go in, neighbor.
My princess, you came to my house. I hope all is well.
Yes, all is well. My name is Ifunanya. I'm not here as a princess. Where is your sister Chika? I'd like her to be my friend. That's why I'm here.
I will advise my sister to say no.
Why? Have I done anything wrong to you?
No, at all. But only if you will agree to be our friend.
It's all right. Accepted.
What is it?
Emenike, Ichele's body was found hanging on a tree. Over land. Yes. After me, Jimaya Munabofia.
If not,
Father,
your mind is not here. What happened?
Father, I remember the way you used to carry me around when I was a little girl. You are a good man. May the gods of our land heal you, protect you, and always be with you.
Thank you. Thank you. It shall be well with you, my daughter.
Ise.
Ifedi, take me in.
Father, I could help.
There is a time for everything. A family got us, a boy you got up with the time. Sun will shine.
My daughter.
Father, how was the night?
I thank the gods and my life today. If not, you need to go and sleep. You will awake out through the night.
Father, do not worry yourself about it. I'm alright. You are not alright. Go and sleep. It's alright. Take care of yourself. him.
How? Ify, how did you manage to come out?
I stayed with father all through the night, so they think I'm peacefully sleeping in my hut.
Oh, you risk your life to come and see me.
I'm left with no option. Sing for me. Please. I have missed you.
Hey, the gods are wise. You defeated me in a wrestling contest few market days ago. The news is everywhere and the shame is too much for me to bear. I am here to correct it. Now, drop the pot of water and wrestle me.
Okoye, I will not wrestle you. My brother warned me not to wrestle again.
Ta! Onyujo, concede defeat so that we can go home with your pot as our tradition demand.
Exactly.
Okoye, let us not do this.
You're wasting my time. Now drop your pot of water and wrestle me.
You had him. Buto Ozubo.
It's a lie. I slept. Now, wrestle me.
Yes. Do not jubilate.
Okoye! The excuse you gave the first time my sister defeated you was you slept. Adam, why? Like you said earlier, the gods are wise. I was actually going hunting, and here. Dikeh, let's go home. Okoye! Chi, I'm going for Nagabala.
So big.
Hey, Balanki, you see your face. It was in cause on Angiga, eh?
Oh. But I didn't know you were watching.
If Nanya mo, Mwamje gole, Adu gole, Mwamje gole, love mo, Odala mam, Mweze o, Ibodi no bimo, Barame gumarama, Babarame gumarama, Barame gumarama, Makito mugomo.
My princess, you're here. Welcome.
Thank you. And you didn't
tell
I'll kill you.
I'm so sorry. I wanted to surprise you.
Let me help you. Thank you.
No. Let me now.
Stop.
Let me now, my
person. I'm a woman like you. I cook very well. Inugo.
Okay.
You can go and be doing other things. K4, Kifin and Nelmaya.
Give me K4. Ejingaga. I say, what that? Me a telephone.
Bara megu marama, babara megu marama, bara megu marama. Igbo di no bi mo. Egunji hogi nanya, egunji homu nanya.
Hey.
I told you I'm a very good cook.
Now I confirm it.
And you can tasan.
Nabolo.
What is it? What is it?
I feel someone is watching us.
Can listen. You have to go back now.
Huh?
Yes. Just go back. I can go.
Are you going to be okay?
Yes, I'll be fine.
Open.
I love you so much. I love you. It's alright, just go back. Go.
Hola, Ma. Where are you going to in such a haste?
My mother sent me on an errand.
Oh, I was actually coming to your place.
To my place?
Yes. We can run the errands together, then we'll go home and talk.
Chika, you see, this errand is very private. Yes, I have to go in, please.
Is there anything? We'll get there, you go inside, deliver your message. You come out and we'll go. Or must you deliver the message to my hearing?
I don't want to go again. Yes, I don't want to go. Let me just go back home.
It's clear you don't want me to go with you. You can go then. You can go. No problem, I'll talk to you later.
Chika.
No, again. Why are you following me around?
I hope it's not what I'm thinking.
And what are you thinking?
You know I know you and my brother are like this. So if there's any man lurking around the corner, I'll be...
Chika, my good friend, there's nothing like that. I'm serious.
Are you sure?
I'm very sure. It is a semalam. I just want to be left alone, that's all. Nothing.
One, there's no problem. Let me go home. I'll come and see you in the house.
No problem. Bye-bye. Take care of yourself.
What? Are you sure of what you are saying?
Yes. I saw them.
If this is true, then Emenike will not like what my father will do to him.
Adanne, I'm very hungry. I think I overslept.
Yes, the food will soon be ready. Follow me. Olama, I hate it when people say what they are not sure of.
But I'm sure. I saw them.
Get out. Leave my presence now.
Uchenna, what are you doing here all alone? Father demands your presence immediately.
I want to be left alone.
You know the consequences if I tell father what you just told me.
I said I want to be left alone.
Your eyes are not scary. And you know I'm not scared of you one bit.
Adana, if you know what is good for you, you leave my presence immediately.
If you know what is good for you, you better follow me now.
Did you find him?
Yes, father, I did. But he said he wants to be left alone.
What?
Father, you sent for me.
God,
Your Highness,
leave us. This is for keeping me waiting. Now listen. If this your recalcitrant attitude ever makes King Omenka finds out that you are not in love with his daughter, or that this marriage is not from your heart, I swear, the story of what I will do to you, you will never live to tell it. Now disappear from my presence. I said get out of my presence this minute. Get out! Keep your eyes on him. You know he's stupid.
Yes, Father. Stop doing this to yourself. I know how you feel, but I want you to accept your fate just as I have accepted mine for the interest of this kingdom. For this marriage to work, you have to see beyond the matters of the heart. Please.
You want me to see beyond the matters of the heart? You want me to forget the only man that makes me happy? Do you even care about my happiness? Or you're just concerned about the throne?
What about me? My birthright was sold out to you. I am not complaining. I just want us to be happy. That is all I want.
I cannot be happy. There's no way. Be happy. But I can never be happy with this decision. Whatever you've chosen to do with your life is your decision. I'll marry the Prince of Amago, but I will never do that with my heart. Let me be. The throne is all that matters. Just let me be.
Father, God, leave us. No, China, you cheat. Shift, Uche. Adanna.
Yes, Father.
Please come and sit.
Thank you, Father.
Adanna.
Yes, Father.
I have always desired that you were the man. Adanna, you know tomorrow we will be leaving to Ngene Kingdom for the marriage ceremony. It is unfortunate that you are not going with us. I am leaving you to be in charge of this kingdom until I return. The next thing you do for me as soon as you leave here is to take your brother inside and teach him all that he needs to know.
Father, this is not right.
Oh, shut up, I'm still talking. Shut up.
This is not right, Father.
I said shut up. And as for you, all you need do is to listen to her. And if you like, disgrace me tomorrow as we go to Ngene Kingdom. And you will see the other side of me when we return.
Father, this is not right, Father.
Now leave my presence.
This is not right, Father. This is not right.
Please teach him all that he needs to know.
Yes.
Chika, leave me. I'm not in the mood now. It's okay.
Greetings, Chief Priest.
Chief Priest, you did not go to the palace.
The last thing I will do is to witness sacrilege with my eyes. Uche Nwankwo and his family left this morning for his maternal home. But I will not leave my father's land. Imetalu, Bulu, Chika, go to Mboji. Pluck a follow leaf for me, for I am having stomach upset.
Okay, Chief Priest.
Please do sit down.
The gods did not ask me to sit down.
Zuan. Umono azuno. If Nanyangwa.
Father,
Take this drink and show us who is your husband.
What is the meaning of this?
Calm down, Peter. Guards.
Guards, go and get her! Wait.
I saw the guys chasing you. Take me to your brother.
What are you doing here? What are you doing here?
Emenike, please, I'm sorry. Forgive me if I've wronged you. Just that I don't know how to control what I feel inside for you.
Nkem!
Love more, Odala Mwezeo, Ibodi no be more. Barame Gumarama, Babarame Gumarama, Barame Gumarama.
This is why I am here. Emenike, Ifunanya, may the gods protect you, bless you, and guide you all the days of your lives.
What do you mean a woman overpowered both of you?
We are sorry, Your Princess.
Leave my presence. Leave! Leave my presence! Olama.
I know you are looking for Ifunanya.
Yes. Did you see her? Olama, what happened to my sister?
She's in Emenike's house. The chief priest just pronounced their husband and wife.
What?
Foolish is the man who wants to run away from his shadow, from his God. Oh no, son, no, no, sir. Oh, you take
Funaya, what have you done? What have you done?
Is it true that you pronounce my daughter and Emenike husband and wife?
I did what the gods asked me to do.
Oh, shut up! Slap him again! What do you know about the gods? Slap him again! Idiot! Rubbish! Another one! Do you know about the gods?
Then, be prepared to call your God to defend you, because by this time tomorrow you shall be beheaded.
Let it be, if it is the wish of the gods.
Guys, take him away. Shut up, mouth.
Possessed by the spirit of the
Shut up!
Is there a way out? My princess, the guards are everywhere.
Okay.
We are trapped. Let us leave this kingdom. This way.
Okay. The consequence of our action is invasion. I beg of you, let's save Obina's life. Please.
It's risky.
Do not say no to me. Please. Please.
Okay. All right. Let's go. This way. That is the regalia and the sword. The strength of our forefathers and the protector of Ngene kingdom.
It shows the gods are with us.
Love more, Odala where's your
What do you mean? That you've not found them? Oh. Now, leave my presence.
What are you still doing there? What are you still doing there? And you, what are you doing? What are you doing there? Oh, idiots! They are all idiots! Idiots! Oh, shut up! Shut up! Shut up! They are fools! 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 Hey!
Maria, son. Huh? Igbo, the death of the chief priest will serve as a warning to all those who would want to soil our relationship with your people. Ifedi,
Your Majesty.
Go and get the chief priest.
Yes, Majesty.
Your Majesty. Your Majesty, I told you that the regalia your daughter wore in her dream and the sword in her hand are symbolic. Today, you will know that the gods of our land can never lie.
Ife, this man was supposed to be in detention. How come he is here with us?
Father, we spoke to the guards and we helped the chief priest escape out of the cage.
Ades, I do not understand you.
This man you call a friend is your worst enemy.
Ifunaya, what is the meaning of this?
Take us to where Obinna is now, or you die.
It's obvious Ifunaya is not in love with me. What are we still doing here? I suggest we leave this kingdom first thing tomorrow morning.
You never liked Ifunaya, and so do I. But I insisted on her knowing the fact that it is a sacrilege in their land. And she will have no choice other than to accept it, knowing that he is dying soon. And the death of the chief priest first thing tomorrow morning will further compound his problems with his people and the gods of their land. And we are going to strike. Oh yes, we will strike as soon as our elders that I sent back to our kingdom returns with our warriors. Yes. The first person to die is Obinna. And then I will personally strangle Omenka. I will strangle him to death. Yes. Oh, shut up. Father. I know you are a coward. But don't make me lose my patience this night. Don't. Now get inside.
Iweka, go back to your people. Tell them that the gods of Ngene has risen to protect his people. Tell them that the sword is here. The blood of any warrior who wants to die shall not be on our heads or our children. Leave this land now. Leave.
There is a time for everything. A family got us, a boy you got up with the time. Sun will shine. Ayasa, ebeki baga, abochipuru, ijikwanya gia. Fem, ebeki feja, abochipuru, ijikwanya gia.
It shall be well with you.
Father,
you live in peace with your husband. May the gods protect you.
Your Majesty, lay your hand on the sword.
Your Majesty! This is wonderful!
Efunanya mo, mwamje gole, adu gole le, mwamje gole. Love mo, odala mam, mweze o, ibodi no bimo. Baramegu marama, babaramegu marama, baramegu marama, makito bugo.